it's Victoria from Passfeed. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, simple snack or a light meal from home. And all of the ingredients are under $10 and it takes less than like 5 minutes to make this. So let's get started. Okay, so the snack we're going to be going to make today are called chalupas or tostadas. They're basically just giant like tortilla chips that are circular. So this is like a Mexican dish, and our second ingredient are refried black beans. You could get brown beans or whatever type of bean you really like. And then the third ingredient is this avocado. It's whole, it's ready to be eaten because it's squishy. And the last ingredients are cheese. I bought cheddar, but you can also get whatever flavor you like. So all of these ingredients cost under 10 bucks and it's gonna take me less than 5 minutes to make this. So let's get started. All right, so it is officially 2:11, so I'm gonna start to make the chalupa. Start. Oh. So I'm gonna keep it in here for 30 seconds, I think. And yeah, so here we go. All right, so I'm gonna check and see how hot the beans are. Oh wow, okay, so they're steaming. This is a microwave safe bowl also. So here we go. And I have all my other ingredients. So here is the tostada, nice and round. And I usually just get a butter knife and get the beans and just smear them on, kind of like butter. It varies on how much beans I usually use depending on how hungry I am, but I usually like to cover the full surface out evenly, like a paintbrush. And I think that's good. So I got my beans, and next I'm gonna get the cheese and okay, so I got the cheese and now I'm gonna put it on the tostada. Same thing, you can put as much cheese as you want, but I usually like to put a fair portion. So I think that's good. And then last but not least, the avocado. So I usually cut it in half because it makes it easier to scoop out. And I get about this much and kind of just plop it on there. And then I pat it down like this. And I know it doesn't look that great, but it tastes amazing. And you could be more like precise with your measurements and everything, but I kind of just go by my eye. And there you have it, a tostada. All right, yay, so we're finished and it is now 2:15. So it was under 5 minutes or just at 5 minutes, either way. But the gist is it was fast, affordable snack meal that you can make yourself at home. Yay!